using my camera glasses with this, but it's easy, and it's easy. That's the thing. These are containing some of my junk and some of my batteries, but this is some vinyl. I bought this vinyl off of oh, who else? Amazon. And basically what I did was use this on top. If you see up here now, I can try to pull myself up. I have most of the wires in the middle covered with this vinyl. It's not pretty, and it looks like I've got a random growth on top of my van. We got to take care of that. But it does somewhat camouflage the wires on top so it don't look so weird and strange and out of place. I don't think that's increased my stealth, maybe 0.05% or something like that. But it's something that I can use. And I've still got plenty of vinyl here. I bought a big roll, much bigger than I should need at all. By the way, I'm using this sort of because I have to open this door. I am doing some really kludgy stuff here, including stretching this one out. If you think this is tacky, yes it is. And I put a little canvas on this. This is not the plastic up here. This is just canvas that I put, and not really a good camouflage. But what I probably could create sort of a flap and then flip it down so it doesn't look so tacky, but I'll be working on that later. I love those magnets. Anyway, what else have I got? Nothing much. I also had a couple of extra magnets, so I used it here to sort of do cable control on my rear flip down panels here. Over on this side, I should have a spare connection. I could. You know, now that I have moved my license plate, I could actually put another panel here. That would be silly. Yeah, which means I'll probably do it. In any case, that would make me the reason I put a panel here is just really immature. That would give me 1,000 watts of panels, but as you know, these are shaded sometimes, so it's not like I have 1,000 watts laid out flat in the middle of a field, which is not good either way. You need it to tilt. So, you know, no matter what you do, if you get standard set panels, you're going to have periods in time where you're not going to get the power you need, or the power you want, or the maximum power. I have enough power to keep my batteries topped off pretty consistently now, which probably means I need another AGM battery, but these batteries are 2 years old, year and a half, 2 years old, and if I get them now, they're 2 years old. So if I get another battery, it'd be less old, but I can't afford to do what I would love to do, and that would be to get lithium, but that would be thousands of dollars. In any case, I'm going to go and run, and I got to get junk food, get gas, etc., and then relax for the rest of the day since I'm going to work tomorrow. I took a vacation day. I had second shift, so I'd been working pretty much solid, so I decided another day off. All right, I'll talk to you later.